If you have a cable tie that's already installed and you want to remove it, never pull it by force or cut it. I'll show you a simple trick to release it without damaging anything. First, prepare a coin, then insert it right underneath the locking section of the cable tie. This coin acts as a protective buffer, so the tool we use to release the cable tie doesn't injure your hand or damage the items secured by the cable. Then prepare a simple tool you can easily find at home, a needle. Insert the needle directly into the locking hole of the cable tie. Once the needle is in, gently pull the cable tie, and the lock will automatically release very easily without needing to cut it. Many people don't know the secret function of this cable tie. In this video I will show you 7 secret functions of cable ties that you don't know yet. If you are used to cutting the cable tie wrap at the end of the wrap, from now on never do that again, because it can make the cable tie fall apart when you lift the wrap. Put the loose cable ties back into the wrapper, then heat the part of the wrapper that you cut to tighten the wrapper back up. Which country are you watching this video from? Write it in the comments to let me know. It's great to see that we can connect with each other from all around the world. Now, make a small opening on the side of the plastic packaging by cutting a simple half circle with scissors. This opening lets you pull out the cable ties one at a time, keeping them neat and preventing them from spilling everywhere. A quick, easy trick to keep your cable ties organized and ready to use. When packing items to keep them secure, we usually add tape to the cardboard box. However, sometimes we struggle when it's time to cut the tape. To fix this, you can modify the tape you already have at home by adding a cable tie to the center of the roll. Simply insert the cable tie through the roll, tighten it slightly but not too tight. Then cut the end of the cable tie into a sharp point. This pointed tip will make it much easier for you to cut the tape, without needing scissors or any other sharp tools. Cables scattered around the house can be really annoying. Besides looking messy, they can also be dangerous if any of them short-circuit. To keep them neat and safe, you can use cable ties. First, bundle all the cables together with one cable tie, but don't tighten it too much. Then separate each cable using smaller cable ties. This method makes your cables look much more organized and definitely safer. You can apply this simple technique to any cables in your home, whether they're on the wall, the ceiling, or even on the floor. The next tip you should know when you want to tie things with cable ties, but the problem is that the cable tie you are using is not long enough. You can use this trick. Many people don't know that cable ties can be connected to make them longer. This trick can replace the size of a longer cable tie without having to buy it. You can use several cable ties that are short in size, then you connect them. A common minor problem many people have experienced is when the zipper pull on a bag breaks or goes missing, making it difficult to open or close the zipper. As an emergency solution, you can use a cable tie as a replacement zipper pull, allowing you to slide the zipper open and closed with ease. This simple method works for all types of zippers, on bags, clothing, suitcases, and any other item that uses a zipper. A cheap, practical solution that works surprisingly well. When you want to drive a screw into wood but the hole is already too big, you don't need to make a new one. You can use cable ties as an emergency solution. Insert a few pieces of cable ties into the oversized hole. Cable ties are known for their toughness, making them perfect for this kind of quick fix. After adding the cable tie pieces, the screw will grip firmly and hold very securely. This method works not only on wood surfaces, but also on walls and other materials. For the final tip, if you have a bunch of keys scattered around your home, you can use a cable tie to keep them together. It makes them safer, easier to find, and prevents them from getting lost. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to join our channel. More useful ideas are coming your way. Share this tip with friends or family. It might help them someday. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.